This is Ravi Kumar Neti and I am working as a senior staff engineer at Qualcomm. In this video, I am going to show how to set up the HDK. HDK stands for Hardware Development Kit. We shall first cover the hardware components of the HDK, how to connect the components together. Then we shall cover how to boot up the HDK using an external HDMI display as well as the display extension card provided as a part of the hardware kit. Hardware kit contains the components shown on the screen. From left to right, they are power supply, display extension card, main board, this is the brains of the hardware kit, and camera sensor card. First, we need to connect the three components, that is display extension card, main board, and camera sensor together. While doing so, it is recommended to use an ESD certified workstation or lab bench to work with the open hardware kit. Here we are seeing the back side of the main board. Please note the switch numbers 7 and 8, that is DSI 0 and DSI 1. The position of these switches determines whether to use an external HDMI device as a display or to use the display extension card for display. In the settings shown on the screen, both switch 7 and 8 are set to on. This is the configuration used when the main board is connected to a HDMI device for display. The display extension board is not connected here and is kept aside. We connected the power supply and another USB cable is connected to the Type-C port for debugging purpose. Please do note the display on the external HDMI device. To use the display extension card, one needs to set the switches 7 and 8 shown earlier to off position. We need to disconnect the power supply and the USB debug cable, then turn the switches 7 and 8 to off position, and then reconnect the power supply and USB cable to get the display on the display extension card. The display extension card also has a touch controller, and when we connect it to the device, it looks like a mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video. For more resources and support, do visit Qualcomm Developer Network. Have a great day.